Check out this bike or handlebar phone holder from a Panitree. This thing is awesome. Like, let me tell you, this is one of the coolest designs to put your phone on your handlebars. Like, check this out. So you have this end and you have this end, and we're gonna go to the handlebars down here. So it goes there, and then you start twisting until it gets tight on your handlebars. This is the easiest and fastest ways to do that, and it is locked on there tight. Now you have your phone mount where you can put your phone on there, and you can obviously swivel it from portrait to landscape. So let's just go ahead and pop our iPhone 15 Pro Max. Easily fits that, and you can flip it one way or the other. And then also down below there's a little lock that's gonna lock it from being able to take this thing out. So you have to unlock it to lift it out. So see how that works. Now, if you didn't have a case that has really nice rubber sides and a nice like rubber padding here to just keep your phone safe and secure. So again, look at how quick and easy that is. Portrait, landscape. There is also a little mechanism here so that you can angle this thing around on your handlebar if you need to get a better angle of it. But also just love this design to take it off. This is the easiest by far out of all of them. I love this thing, highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.
Now.